So now we're going to be doing more with the buttons. So we're going to just be making the buttons better, right? Because we're going to run this just to kind of show you what it looks like. Right here, we're going to go into here. We're just going to run our button command in this tutorial thing, button. But this thing is, we click it, but if we click it again, just going to keep doing that, and maybe we don't want that. We want more control over our button. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into his code, and we're going to start. So first we're going to add another button just to kind of practice what we're doing. So this is going to be a cancel button. So if you want to try to make a cancel button that's red, try it out now. Pause it if you want to. Alright, here we go. So we're going to write discord.ui.button label equals hello. No, cancel. Okay. Our style gonna be discord.button style.red. Right, and then we're gonna async define cancel ourself function discord.interaction button discord.ui. Now in here, what we're going to do is we're going to await interaction response send message canceling. Right. All right. So now run this. If we do button, we get both of them. Cancel, canceling, hello, hello world. Beautiful. Alright, so go back in here. Now the thing is with our buttons is that maybe we don't want people to click on them multiple times. If you want to, leave it as this, but I'm going to show you another thing where this is. So this is our simple view without it. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new one. You don't have to do this, you can just do it in the simple view, but just for simplicity's sake. View, just to kind of practice with it. It's a discord.ui.view. And what we're going to do is we're going to take both of these. We're just going to copy and paste it in here. Beautiful. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to create a boolean called foo. And what this foo is going to do is it's going to tell us what was decided, whether it was hello or cancel, and then we're going to work on that timeout. So foo, it's going to be boolean. This you don't have to write boolean, but we're just going to write foo is equal to none, which means not true or false, which means nothing was called. Okay. Now here, if they say hello, self.foo is equal to true because they said hello, right? And here it's going to be the opposite. So self.foo is equal to false. All right. So if no button is clicked when the timeout happens, foo will be none. Hello's clicked, it'll be true. If cancel is clicked, it'll be false. So now what we're going to do is we are going to self.stop just so that we're stopping it after this. Okay. So now instead of a simple view, we're going to have a timeout view. I'm going to run this. Actually, wait, no. Now to check what ended up happening, what we're going to write is if view.foo is none, we're going to print timeout. Right? If view.foo is equal to true, then we're going to print okay. Else it's going to be a cancel. Alright. Cool. So that is all good now. Click it. Hopefully this shall work. hello. And then if we go into our code, why did it say timeout? Okay. We didn't finish writing the code. I thought that might work. It didn't. So what we're gonna do is we are going to have to put some new things. Okay. So first we're gonna add in the actual timeout. I thought we wouldn't need it, but I think we do. So we're going to first have a timeout. So async define on timeout self, and then we gotta put this to be none. Okay. So the reason why we don't have this score button is because it isn't a button. This is just something that happens within the timeout view. Okay. We're gonna await self.message channel.send timeout, and then await self.disable all items. Now, what is disable all items? We're gonna write that too. Disable items. Pass in self. And here we're gonna do for item in this. So basically all the different views, so all the different buttons and everything, item.disabled equals true. Alrighty, so this should be all good now. So now we're going to go back down here, and so normally the timeout is super long, so it wouldn't even be able to happen. So we're going to change to just equal 5 seconds, just for simplicity's sake for this, but in general you won't want to do this. Now our message is going to equal await ctx.send view is equal to view. Just like that, so a little bit different syntax, we don't need this anymore. Now we're going to await view.wait and await view.disable all items. Alright, so now we should run this, and this should now work as expected. Go to our button, click hello. This interaction has failed. Bar hello said okay. Maybe that's what we were forgetting. So view.message is equal to message. Should be going now. Why did it not cancel? Oh. Once again, we forgot something. Okay. In this case, we're actually going to need here, after this for loop, going to have to await self.message .edit view is equal to self. Yeah. Now we're going to run this. We're going to do our button. Hello. Now it canceled and we can't click on the buttons anymore. So we clicked hello, and so now you can see here it says okay. Now we're going to go to our button here. Kind of canceling, cancel, right? And then, and we're going to wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Timeout. Timeout. Beautiful. Okay. So it's all working as expected. So that's all you need to know for buttons. But so, what are buttons actually used for? Well, this is how you're able to do things, right? So, I'll make this really quickly just to kind of show you an idea of how this could be used. So let's use our calculations, right? The ones that we had before. So our class button calculator. This is whenever you want to create a new buttons, you're just going to go to discord.ui.view. this case, we're going to do operation is equal to none. Operation is equal to -1. Okay, so I'm going to put a little comment up here to say -1 is nothing, 0 is add, 1 is subtract, 2 is multiply, and 3 is divide. Okay, so now we're just going to take this thing right here, and this label is going to be add. I think success is good there. So define add. What we're going to do here, our message is going to be right. And so here, what we're going to do. Self.operation is equal to 1, right? Cool. And we're gonna add in all the same stuff up here. Just like that. Beautiful. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply this. This one is going to be this. Nope. Alright, and then we're just going to keep doing this. Subtracting. Mul, so we're just going to keep on doing this. This one's going to be 3. This is 0, 1, 2. One more time. Just divide. Divide. Okay, so now we have this button calculator. So we're going to make a new command. Add command async define button math ctx arg1 arg2. And we're going to have a is equal to the integer of arg1, and b is going to be equal to the integer of arg2. So we've got our two numbers, a and b. Now our view is going to be equal to button calculator timeout. We're going to have 30. Should be good. Our message is going to be await ctx view is equal to view. View.message is equal to message. Await view.wait. And wait.disable all items. Okay. So now down here, we're going to do our math. So we're going to just say if view.operation is equal to 0, that's going to be add. I'm going to add a and b. Actually, we're going to say result is equal to we're going to just put result there. Okay. Now we're going to do if view.operation is equal to 1, result is equal to add, subtract, b. And this could be done much easier, but for right now, just to like show and using everything in tandem, we are going to be doing this. Okay. Result is equal to divide a b, and then down here we are going to have a none, and then if result is not none, then we're going to await ctx.send. I have an f string here. Is result. Okay, so that was just a lot of code. Let's see if it works. So we're going to go here. We're going to do button math. That was not the command. Oh. Button math. We're going to do 8, 9. We're going to multiply 8 and 9. Boom. Do it again. Button math. Oh, no. Button math. 105 divide 20.0. Button math 13.4. Subtract. Currently subtracting, the result is none. Look at that. It is done. So again, that is how you do it. And this is simple code just for adding. Right? Have all this stuff here, and it's beautiful and works, and it's great. So to end it off, go here. We're gonna add our changes. Made adding button. Commit sync changes, and there we go.